I'm Tim Brummel from McGrath, and welcome to 18 Commodore Court, Banora Point.
Say we would meet, we would laugh, lift and lie down. We would sigh in relief.
If you're a boat enthusiast who's been looking for deep water access to the ocean, look no further. The flexible floor plan features 4 bedrooms, refurbished bathrooms and the kitchen. The open plan living has been designed for family entertaining with the indoor and outdoor areas flowing out to the water. The home also caters for extra family members, or there's potential for income with a self-contained studio on its own level. What I really love about the property is the land size of 935 square metres. With approximately 36 metres of water frontage, you also have your own private boat ramp and pontoon. There's secure off-street parking for a boat, van or additional vehicles. The home also features a 6.5 kilowatt solar power and solar hot water service. With the home positioned at the end of the cul-de-sac and no adjacent neighbours, you'll enjoy the uninterrupted river views. Hope you've enjoyed this property, and I look forward to seeing you at an open house soon.